Hi there. I am so glad you are here because today is the day you have decided to take action. Take back your pantry and reestablish some organization in your house. I'm Valerie. I am the founder of Your Organized Home and the creator of this workshop, Your Organized Pantry. Um, and I'm so excited for you to be here. This video itself is just an introduction, so if you don't care about who I am or need any kind of introduction to what's going to be happening over the next 5 days, just go ahead and skip this video. Pretty simple. But if you're going to stick around, let me just tell you a little bit about myself. Again, I am the founder of Your Organized Home, which is my organization company. I'm here to help the DIYers out there like yourself get their house organized and in order, and I also provide in-home services as well. But this here is a picture of my family, and without my family I am not who I am, so I need to introduce the 5 most amazing people in my life: my husband and my 4 children. So a little bit about what makes me qualified to put this course together and for you to entrust in me to get you through this process, which, trust me, I have simplified and made this so easy and doable. You will be so happy by the time this 5 days is done. But I went to the University of Illinois in Champaign-Urbana, and I have a degree in architecture. I spent many years post-college working in an architecture firm, mostly working on educational spaces and religious spaces, and also doing a lot of interior work for office build-outs, which, if you think about it, between educational and office spaces, they're probably some of the most organized and structured spaces. So definitely have a lot of experience in that area. More recently, I am a licensed real estate agent in the state of Illinois, which is an amazing job. Get to help people find their new dream home, and so rewarding, so rewarding. But with that, I have also got a certification as a staging consultant. And if you think about it, staging, yeah, you hear about it all the time when it comes to selling your home. But when it comes to designing spaces and even organization, staging is actually a huge part of that. So, with being a realtor, my husband and I are also real estate investors. We have investment properties, including some rentals and things like that. And then, most importantly, I am a self-proclaimed organizational geek. I get so excited in the basket and container aisle at any store, from Hobby Lobby to the Home Depot. I literally can spend hours in those aisles and just daydream about what I can organize. Yes, organization nerd here. So, what brought me to this online business and creating this course for you? Obviously, I have a great passion for design and organization. I also have a passion for sharing knowledge, and with that, I put together this mission. It is my goal to empower you and every homeowner to be confident in designing spaces in your home. You deserve a home that you love. Keeping it organized and maintained is also an important part of putting your design together. So that's why we're here. So in this workshop, I've broken it down into 5 days. Now, you really only need an hour or two each day, so you really can be a weekend warrior and get this done in a weekend. But I wanted to break it down into 5 days because I'm sure a lot of you out there, like myself, can't dedicate that big of a chunk of time to any given project. So you decide what works best for you. If it's going to be, the hour or two each day to get through the 5 days to finish the project, or if you want to chunk it up into just a weekend, it can definitely be done. So we're going to take your pantry, we're going to completely clear it out, clean it out, we're going to organize what's in there, we're going to get rid of what doesn't belong there, and we're going to make it beautiful. And we're going to do some major planning to make sure that when it gets put back together, it's something that can be maintained. And I will also make sure that you have some tools and strategies to maintain the space. I have multiple worksheets throughout the course, throughout the days that we'll go over in each video. Each day will have its own video. Each video will have the goals for the day, the tasks for the day, and a little sneak peek about what's happening next. So you can be organized with your time and be efficient. And I assure you, this is going to be a simple process, and you'll be so happy when we're finished. And I will be so happy that you have joined me to do this. So, without further ado, check out underneath this video. You will see below some links to my Facebook group, which is All Things Organized. Please join there. Please, I would love for you to share your before and after pictures of your pantry. Just hashtag pantry refresh and share your victories with us there. So I will see you tomorrow. Be ready. We're going to get started.